If you're looking for a solution to succeed in affiliate sales, let me introduce you to Evolup. Evolup is the first solution 100% dedicated to the creation of affiliate stores, entirely powered by our own artificial intelligence. Choosing Evolup means saving time, a lot of time. On the technical level, everything is already configured. There's nothing to install, and everything is automatically updated. Select your products from your favorite affiliate program. For example, from Amazon, import them in one click on your store. Let our AI reformulate the text automatically. Then, Evolup synchronizes the price and availability of your products via Amazon. No need to check manually. Can you imagine how much time you'll save? Choosing Evolup means earning more commissions thanks to SEO. Our ambition is clear: to provide you with a site that's ultra-optimized for Google, with a dedicated interface including more than 50 advanced SEO features, AI to write your content for you, combined with our WYSIWYG technology and its thousands of layouts. And let's not forget the favorite feature of SEO experts, our Topic Cluster Manager, directly in Evolup. In short, Evolup is an all-in-one affiliate solution equipped with powerful AI and available as a simple package starting at just $10 a month. So get started with Evolup for your affiliate store now.